खुदा करे मेरे अर्ज़ पाक पे हो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. So on this 76th Independence Day of Pakistan, I wish every Pakistani living in Pakistan, outside Pakistan and every Vanguardian a very happy Independence Day.
Good day, my name is Willie Muller. I'm the school administrator for Vanguard House of Schools. I'm very, very honored to be present on my first day of Independence Day of Pakistan. I'm looking forward to that. It will be a really honored to have this festival with everybody, and I'm really, really excited to be with everyone having this great festival. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamu alaikum, this is me Nilufar Akbar, Assistant Director at Vanguard House of Schools. Exciting times ahead as we approach the 14th of August. Let's celebrate the spirit of unity, peace and progress. Happy Independence Day to all the Vanguardians. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hiradil. I am an Associate Coordinator of Vanguard House of Schools. Today we are celebrating 76th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Pakistan Zindabad.
My name is Aksa Zia and I am the Early Years Coordinator of the Vanguard House of School. As you can see that we are bleeding green, and it will show on Monday 14 August 2023, and it will be our 76th birthday of Pakistan, our motherland, and it will show because we are going to celebrate it with a boom.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Fauzia. Happy Independence Day to all of you, and hope you all are celebrating this day with great enthusiasm and patriotism. Thank you and have a lovely Independence Day to all of you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza and I'm Vanguardian. Independence Day is a day to rejoice, so let's celebrate and be proud of our country.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Fatma Tayyeba. Being a Pakistani, we celebrate Independence Day with a great joy every year. It's a day of celebration and patriotism. So a very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sir Hafiz Irfan. दुआ की जाती है अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त इस मुल्क के अंदर तमाम पाकिस्तानियों की और तमाम मुल्क की हर तरह से जान की, माल की, इज़्ज़त की, आबरू की हिफाजत फरमा.
Let us all work together to make our country even greater.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. We are celebrating 76th Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Happy Independence Day to you all. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jashn-e Azadi Mubarak. Jashn-e Azadi Mubarak.